Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you visit my channel, click on the like, comment on the video, subscribe, and you can also share my videos to your friends. It's free. Dinka tribe. There are many cultures and tribes in Africa. Today, I will tell you more about Dinka tribe. The Dinka tribe live in Savannah country surrounding the central swamp of the Nile Basin, primarily in South Sudan. They speak a Nilotic language classified within the Eastern Sudanic branch of the Nilo-Saharan language and are closely related to the Nua. Numbering 4.5 million people in the earliest 21st century, the Dinka form many independent groups of 1,000 to 30,000 persons. Those groups are organized on a regional, linguistic and cultural basis into clusters, of which the best known are Aga, Aliab, Bor, Rek, Twig, and Maluel. The Dinka are primarily transhumans, pastoralists, moving their herds of cattle or riverine pasturing during the dry season, between September to April, and back to permanent settlement in savanna forest during the rain. When their food crops, principally millets, are grown, each group is internally segmented into small political units with a high degree of autonomy. Because of the vast geographical area they occupy, the Dinka exhibit great diversity of dialects, although they value intra-group unity in the face of enemies. By tradition, certain of the patrilineal clans provide priest chiefs, also known as master of fishing spear, whose position is validated by elaborate myths. Spiritual leadership and intervention are important to the Dinka, who are intensely religious and for whom God, Nial, and many ancestral spirits play a certain and intermediate part in everyday life. Anything from a lie to a murder may be an occasion for sacrificial propitiation of divine. The Dinka ritualize the passage through boyhood to manhood through age-old ceremony during which a number of boys of similar age undergo hardship together before abandoning forever the activity of milking cows, which had marked their status as children and servants of men. Cattle, nonetheless, retained a central position in daily life. During the last 2 decades of the 20th century, when South Sudan was still part of Sudan, the Dinka's traditional way of life was seriously threatened by the Khartoum-based government's attempt to impose Islamic law on the non-Muslim South. This resulting civil war in Sudan pitted Arab militias against their customary rivals,